question is related to the example of X and Y. If X says the bad word, and if Y decides to stay away from the person X, is that also creating new karmas?
If X says bad word and Y heard the word, let's assume take case first, okay? He may not be reacting it, but at least at that moment he has to hear the word, okay? Because it is not like something he was in a vacuum or someplace, okay? Then the X, whatever the bad word saying has no meaning even, okay? Here which we are talking here, when X says bad word, okay, why in hearing of why is all occurring at the same time. If somebody says nobody hears after 1 minute, okay, hears this at that moment. But when why hears the word, what happens in his internal, mind, thought, what happens in his mind or the thought process? Is he getting angry, or he knows the reality, and he said, well, I think he said this kind of the word, but and when he said the but, okay, I, I think whatever he said, he doesn't understood it properly. That is why he's been feeling, this thing about me, and I will go and explain to him, with respectfully, and calm down the situation. Or he said, why did he say it? And he will be reacting. Either way, how it goes. Whatever the why response is afterwards, that all depends upon his knowledge about reality, his knowledge about the situation. Okay. There are some people are so quiet. Okay. Even if you get mad and mad at him, okay, but the person will be very quiet. He said, look, I made a mistake. I am sorry. I did not do it, but one thing I tell you, I did not do this one. If you think I'm doing it, I'm sorry and I apologize. Okay. Now your ego is not hurt. Okay. Because it is easy to apologize, then try to fix the problem, and other person will be reacting the same way. All right. Even though you are not wrong, he says, why should I say tell sorry? Now your ego comes into the picture. Okay. We do it all the time. Okay. The Vinay Sutra, the Navkar mantra is originally is a Vinay Sutra. Vinay says, I bow down to Arihanta. I bow down to Siddha. I bow down to Acharya. These are not a mantra in a sense. It is a Vinay Sutra. Jainism in the ancient time, it is nothing but respectful to others. Bow down to everybody. No, in that sense. Oh, he is below me, he is above me. Those kind of the thinking, it is so much later on introduced in the Jainism. When the more sectarianism occurred, it more these things occurred, it, and we lost some touch of the humanity. If you become right, even if the child is making something, okay, I'm sorry, I hurt you, or no, like that. Okay, if you do that one and be respectful to everybody, all right, you will see how much problem you can avoid it, in this, in this life. Okay. But it is not I am right or wrong. It is what I say is right. That's where the whole trouble comes into it. Okay. It is not what is right. It is what I say is right. And that's where all the problem now that occurs. And even we are something, we change it in such a way that the Vinay Sutra becomes like a Navkar mantra. No, it will do it. This is all occur after 12th century. This kind of the situation occurs. So we got to, the problem is like Shravaks and Shravika are not studying the religion. Okay, they generally is whatever is being told to them, that's what they believe into it. Uh, they never verify even. Okay, where does this thing written? Let me look at it. I have put in e-library all 45 agams and every Digambar Shastra. And if you don't find the original books, you tell me that this book is the original and I'm not able to find it, I will collect it and I'll put it on the e-library. Okay? But you got to have a complete attitude of understanding and studying the religion. Okay? Then practice will automatically follow you. If you are knowledgeable, practice will follow you. And if you are making a mistake, at least you will know it. This is my mistake. Okay? And it is my mistake. That's why let me correct it. But always, if you correct yourself, then world will be changed. Okay? That's it.